what's up guys? This is Jake.
This is Charles.
We are at L'Aqua Adrenaline Factory to do a little tutorial today about the flange bushing, how to change it, and also how to fix this squeaky noise that you might hear when you ride. We've seen a lot of email about it, and today we will help you fix that issue. So let's get down to business.
Let's get down to it.
All right, so Charles, what are the tools we're gonna need to change the flange bushing?
Okay, so we're gonna need 4mm Allen key.
4mm.
We're gonna need also just maybe a screwdriver, just in case.
Screwdriver.
I will have 2 different socket wrenches. They're both on 10mm. I'm just gonna have one to open the screw, and I'm going to have one to close everything down to torque spec.
Perfect. And what about the magic lube I see there?
Yes, so we're going to be using lube just in case we want to fix any sort of squeaking noises that we're hearing. Today we're going to be using PL100. We can also equally use lithium-based lube.
So pretty much everything that is lithium-based is the secret ingredients to fix your squeaky noise on your deck.
Yes, perfect. Yep.
Okay, so we got the tool, we got the magic lithium lube. And well, we're ready to get down to business. Yeah. All right, so first step.
So let's put the board upside down. It's probably easiest to do it that way.
Okay.
So let's start off right here. We're gonna flip it over. You mind helping me with this one, Jay? Just flip it down.
Okay.
So I'm gonna do it all on the front truck, and we're gonna start here. First, we are going to take off the little nut that the Kingpin is closed off with. So I'm going to set my Allen key in here, hold it down, and begin taking everything off here. So now after this, we'd have to take out the Kingpin. Now, if I'm trying to force it with my fingers here, it's kind of difficult. Okay, so if you find that it's too hard to push it out or to even put it back in afterwards, it's because the bushings are also pushing up and causing some forces to act against this Kingpin from being in its place. So what we're going to do as well, we're going to loosen these bushings. So I'm going to pull it up just a little bit. It's going to help loosen my Kingpin to come out. And there you go. Just like that. It's going to come out. Just be careful. Your truck is going to come out as well. And here we have access to changing our flange bushings. We can pop them out and we pop the new ones right back in. This is where you can put lube inside and around. This is where your squeaking noise is coming from. So after this is done, right, we replace both sides because there's 2 sides to this. We're going to put the truck back in. And here is where we're going to take our Kingpin and we're going to slide it right back in. It should go in easier. And it's all the way through. We can see that now. We're going to put back the nuts. And even if you're having squeaking noises, even without touching the flange bushings, you could just put it inside the little creases here, just so that the squeaking noises will go away. Once you have the lube in, just rock it back and forth, until the squeaking goes away, and then after that you're good to ride.
What's next, Charles?
So we're going to tighten the Kingpin. So you're going to tighten it down to torque spec. So it could be anywhere from 13.2 Nm to about 14. Here at the shop we use 13.2, sometimes 14. And once your wrench clicks in, you know that your Kingpin is down tight. Make sure that if you loosened your bushings to tighten those back into place, and then after that you can just check again, rock it side to side, see if there's any more squeaking, and then you should be good to ride.
Okay, Charles, what's up with the back and the motors? What's different?
So I mean, the only thing that's really different, right, is that you have the motors sticking out and that the whole truck is actually connected to the board because of these motor wires. So the only thing you need to be careful of is the fact that if you're removing this and you're changing your flange bushings, is that you might pull these out, these gaskets out. It's easy, you just pop them right back in if you ever pop them out. And then you're just holding more weights because of the motors push everything back in. Same setup as the front, just everything's connected here, a little more weight. You should be good to go after.
Easy like that.
Easy like that.
Thank you, that was pretty useful.
Yeah.
Now let's flip the board. So strong. All right. So that was it, guys, for how to change your flange bushing. Like Charles told you, if you hear a little squeaky noise when you're riding, it's easy as that. You just need to put the lithium lube on your front flange bushing, on your back flange bushing, move it a little bit, then after that you should be good to go. Otherwise, guys, go outside, make sure to wear your protective gear, and have a nice ride.
Cheers, guys.
All right.